All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my free traffic series, and we're about to drop it off with a new one with Pinterest. So if you're ready, let's go. All right, what's going on, guys? It's Matt here. Before I start this video, I wanted to let you guys know I'm opening up some free calls here in the month of June. If you guys want to get in on this, I basically will sit down with you and help you create your business plan to get you started. All you got to do is smash the link below and sign up for a time. So now back to the video. That's right, you heard me right. Pinterest is probably one of the top underrated free traffic platforms you get, and you could dive in and check out a Pinterest I literally created. It took me 5 minutes. And the cool thing is I'm getting views without having to do any promotion or anything. 15 views, dude, without any promotion. 5 views, 9 views. I literally set it, forget it. I have 71 monthly viewers. Obviously, this is a startup, and I don't have a massive following on this now. But honestly, you could take things like your Instagram post, your YouTube videos, and you could pretty much just throw them up on Pinterest too. Pinterest is a great platform for ideas, for anything really, articles. So easy to do. Make sure when you set it up, you set up a business account. So the business account will actually allow you to get allow you to run ads with the business account. It'll allow you to see analytics on your pins for performance and whatnot. And one of the best things I like is you could actually schedule pins. So you go to create the pin, and you could actually schedule it right there, publish at a later date. Now, if you're like me and you're a huge Canva advocate, Canva Pro, huge pro tip in Canva is you could actually go over here, and I have a Pinterest form design. And when you create a design, you could go to Pinterest, and you can do a Pinterest pin. So it'll actually optimize the size of the pin, right? Hear me out. So I have you got a layout, you have everything. So what I do through Canva is I actually push to my YouTube channel. I push to this channel right on Canva. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll right click, duplicate. So I did one for make a free ebook and sell it. You go over to your content channel. And this is super easy. This is literally something I do like once or twice a day. So I will say make money in YouTube channel without YouTube. So I'll actually open it up, and literally it's just as easy as doing this. Check this out. Pinterest. So I'm even going to close Pinterest to show you that part. So just edit that real quick. And the reason why I'm doing like this crazy caption is because you want it to be clickbait. You want a clickbait caption to get people to click it. So let's go back to that title. Make that YouTube money without editing or showing your face. So that's something I'm just going to do this real quick. Drop that down. And make sure you fix any typos. And then come up, earn $826 a day. Boom. So now I have my pin. So I have that set, and I could sit there and hit publish to Pinterest. So you're basically able to optimize Canva if you're a Canva Pro member. And utilize and connect your Pinterest. So you could just literally go and you could go idea pin. And I'm going to go right back in here. It's just as easy as Control C, Control V. And I'm going to do the same thing for description. And then destination website is going to be linked to this YouTube video. So you copy that link, you can paste it there. And then I'm going to go and say publish now. So it's actually going to render out my design and automatically send that to my Pinterest page. So this is something you don't even like have to open up Pinterest. You don't even have to like go to Pinterest app on your phone. could literally go there, and then Pinterest, go back to that website, and you could see don't show your face on YouTube. So when people click that pin, you could actually see it goes right to that website, so they could drive the traffic right to your YouTube channel. Again, this is just another outlet for you guys to use as far as social media goes, to try to gain traction. Again, I personally don't promote a lot on Pinterest. Pinterest is an idea for me. It's something I do when I remember to do it. I don't have it set in my repertoire to make sure I do that. But there's no bad way to go about it. Just start posting, and it's just easy as sharing your link out. If you have a swipe up over 10K on Instagram and you want to gain some Pinterest traction, do a swipe up there. But the best thing to do is engage on the platform, go to other people's pins, go to other people's boards, and start liking and commenting and sharing and repinning and doing whatever you need to do to get that traction. And the last tip I'm going to tell you is you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more cool tips like this. And make sure you follow my Pinterest. I'll actually link it down below if you're interested in following my Pinterest. So I do, again, you do this to my YouTube. I do it right to Instagram. So I pin right back to Instagram, or I pin back to my landing page. If you guys have a landing page, it's good to do that as well. It's basically getting your link on any platform and getting it out there. The more traffic you get to it, the more of a chance people are going to click it and go for it. So when people say, oh yeah, don't show your face on YouTube, what's that about? They'll actually go click, it'll go to my YouTube video where I'll mute it because I don't like to hear my voice. And now they could sit there and they could read the description. They have access to all my links and the whole nine. Hope you guys did find this educational. If you guys do have a Pinterest, shoot me a message, or get in touch with me so we make sure we're connecting with each other on Pinterest. As always, I'll see you guys in the next video.